Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the multiple accounts on Asana account. If you want to add any kind of other account, you can also do that. So as you can see, I've already created a one account and I want to add any kind of other account, you can also do that. And I want to add any other account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on the profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, as you can see, you will get the add another account option here. So we have to click on the add another account, and after clicking on this, we need to provide the email address, or we can also continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with Google here, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now we have to choose the email address. For example, I'm going to choose this email address, and after clicking on this, we need to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, and let's click on the sign up with Google. We have to wait a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, it's done. Now we have to refresh it. So let's go to the back. So as you can see, now our account is linked. So in this way, you can add multiple accounts in your Asana account. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.